Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be playing with my mom in a game called Boat Ride to a Better Life.
Hey guys!
Anyways, let's get into it. Come on, Mom, get on my boat.
How?
You're supposed... I'm coming back for you. Okay, fine. Get your own boat. I'm leaving you. Bye.
Wait for me!
I think we're gonna... Whee! Wow,
You're leaving me!
I am good! I am sweet! Oh, I am good at this game. Also, this is our first time playing, and I am doing pretty good. I don't like first person, no.
I don't think I've gotten out of the harbor yet.
Oh no, I think I'm gonna hit the rock! Ah! I already got to the first checkpoint.
Wait for me!
I think this part we're supposed to go up. Where are you? Trying to see if I could see you. I'm going. Whee. Ah, the buoy. I am fast. Oh yeah, here's the part where you go up. Whenever you're too close to that little line on the edge, I can't, paddle. Oh no, I hit something! Do I see you? I'm trying to see if I can see you.
Oh,
there you are!
I see you up there. Paddling away.
I'm going supersonic speed.
And I am not.
I already made it to another checkpoint. Okay, right. Woo! I gotta slow down. Oh no! Oh my god! That was close. I gotta turn around. Trying to turn this thing around. Why is it so hard to turn this around? Oh, well, there's Mom drowning.
Glub, glub, glub.
What do you mean? Okay, I guess. She's screaming. Why would you be screaming now? I meant, okay, whatever. Oh, water slide. Woo! Okay, that's kind of annoying to say that a lot. I cannot speak words at the moment. Woo, I made it! Gotta go. I gotta go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Ah! Well, that's a thing. OMG, there's the checkpoint! There's the checkpoint! Let's go! Wait, no, 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 no! Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh no, oh no, I'm gonna die. No, 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 oh no, 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 no. I say I'm fine, but I'm not really fine. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no 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 no! Wait, what? I don't know how I survived that, but I'm gonna act like that didn't happen. Wait, no 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 no! Oh my God! What just happened? Can someone explain to me what happened? Oh, okay, I guess. I officially hate that hill. Oh, wait a second. I can teleport back to you. I'm coming to help you, okay?
Hey!
Hello. Wait a second. What just happened?
You come to help me? I think you need help.
Maybe you might be right.
I don't know. It looks like we both need help.
I think you're right. Oh, you escaped. Oh, I think you got teleported back in the boat. Oh no, I think we have to drown. I think we both have to drown. I'm drowning.
This is not going very well.
So far, I think I can agree with you.
Hang on, I'm still drowning.
What? Okay, I guess.
And I'm back.
Okay.
Let's do this. Oh, maybe. Wait for me!
I'm trying to come back. I'm trying to come back. Get in the boat. Get in the flippin' boat.
I drowned.
No.
I'm coming. Up. Oh, maybe not.
I'm coming. Oh no. Oh no.
No, not again.
Did you drown? Did you drown?
I'm drowning again.
No.
This is not working out very well.
Let's just get a new boat.
Oh no. All right, stay there.
I'll try.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yay!
Let's go. I am here to save the day and save your life.
Let's do this.
Here's the slide.
I can't wait to do this. This will be my first time, hopefully.
Yeah. You ready?
Let's do it! Woo!
Whee! How do you feel? We made it!
It's a miracle!
Let's go!
Let's do this.
Determination. Go.
Just keep paddling. Just keep paddling.
Oh, I did not see that there. You ready for the drop?
No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Then why are you
Oh
paddling? Was that anticlimactic?
That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
I had my paddle out, so we went extra slow, so I was like, okay, yeah, we're just going down.
Good thing you know what you're doing.
Yup, sir. Are you ready for the hardest part in this little area?
I'm scared.
I died like 2 times on this part.
Well, I haven't gotten here yet, so this
Yeah.
is my first time.
Please.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
Oh my
Yeah!
goodness. We did it!
Yay!
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Woo! Now let's go. Now let's.
Oh no!
You like
What
this?
are you doing?
Skipping it.
Oh my gosh!
I'm going crazy.
I don't think we're supposed to be doing that.
Maybe not. I don't know.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh,
No! Why? Let's try that again. Why don't we? Get in my boat.
I don't know if I want to get in the boat with you.
So you get on
Oh
there?
no! I can do this. Yay!
Yay! Let's do that again.
Oh my goodness! I don't think this is the right way to do this. my gosh.
We're going on an adventure, Mom. We're going on an adventure. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah,
That did not go very good.
Oh.
I guess we'll try again.
You want to get on my boat this time? Oh.
Oh, goodness. what
Maybe
was
you don't
that?
want to get boats. I have no idea. I feel like we might be being a little bit too loud. Let's go. Let's go.
Maybe we should try the correct way of
No,
doing this.
never. Oh,
Because
flip.
this is not working out very well.
I'm
I guess we can still paddle like this.
gonna try and go off the edge and flip us back up. Will it work? So far, it's not. Come on. Come on.
We can do it, maybe.
Oh no, not that way, not that way. OMG. Come on. No. No.
This is
Come
weird.
on. Oh no, no. Do you think I should get this?
I don't know.
Do you know what? I'll ask people in the comments. You think that's a good idea?
I don't think we need it.
Maybe next time.
That's a good idea.
Because I do actually like this game. And also, I'm stealing your boat.
What the heck?
I got your boat. I got your boat.
You left me again.
I'm too pro. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my. OMG. That was crazy. Did you see that?
No, I was back here in the back. I'm going slow and steady.
I went flying up. It was like a bounce pad or something. It was like, did I have a spring coil or something? A jumping coil? I'm stuck on the buoys. Where are you?
I fell off.
Oh. Rip. I am just going anti-slow and steady. But I'm gonna try something. Oh no. I think I died.
That didn't work out, did it?
Oh, what happened to you?
I'm checking out the underside of my boat. On the boat. I'm checking out the floor.
You trying to check out the seabed?
Yep.
I'm trying to save you. I'm trying to say. Oh, you already left. Whatever. I'm gonna try and flip the boat so we can actually use it. Oh, now I'm under the water. Now I am.
I'm gonna try a different boat.
Okay. No, my boat.
This is my boat.
I tried to steal it, but then it just fell off. I'm taking this boat, and yeah, I'm out. Bye.
Bye.
Plus, I think it will be good for the little cracks whenever I go over them. Yeah, it might actually be easier. It's hard for me to tell. Oh no, oh no, oh no, what is happening? Help me. Do you see me over here?
I see you.
This is crazy. Oh no, I'm going backwards. Now I'm going backwards. I don't think I don't think you're supposed to go backwards, are you?
I don't know. Maybe sometimes that can help you.
Maybe. Mainly, probably good for like turning around, maybe. Oh no. Oh no. No. Hey, let me get in your raft.
No. All right, let's do this.
Attempt number whatever.
Probably 1,000.
No, maybe.
Oh no. Oh no.
Already? Well, that was quick. Oh, the normal kayaks are back. After me flipping them and you.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. Honestly, I think it's harder to control the long one if you're just one person. Because it's kind of like more long. Okay, that's just... Bruh. I just realized this is funny. Look, guess since we're gonna go on that cruise and make a cruise video, and this is like a boat game. Is this like preparation or something?
Maybe.
I'm making it farther than we usually do. Well, I usually do at the moment.
I'm still back here in the back.
Yeah. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I don't wanna go off, please no. Oh no, oh no. Okay, I think I got this, Okay. Oh no, 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 no! I was so close. There's the power ore. Oh, I see you over there. I see you.
Slow and steady.
I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you.
Oh no, here you come.
I'm coming.
No! Ouch! Like a bull in a china shop.
What?
Like a bull in a china shop.
I have no idea what that means. I'm coming. I'm gonna target lock. Alright, bye. I did a little pass by hit, and then I'm just out. I'm knocking into a couple of the buoys or lines. Oh, you coming backwards. I just saw you coming backwards. What are you doing?
Hey, whatever works.
Oh, there's a gap. Hey, that's even smaller than the other gaps we've crossed a ton of times. I'm going places. Oh no. I recovered myself. Let's go. I think I made it. I'm gonna make it. I made it.
Yay! I'm coming.
I see
I'm
you.
gonna make it.
Wait, no, you're gonna fall.
I was so close.
Rip. I'm coming back for you. I'm coming back. Oh no. I die while trying to come back to you. I'm gonna teleport to you. Hello. Oh wait, wrong spot. Oh, hi. How are you doing today?
I'm gonna do this. I can't even get out of the harbor right now.
Well, anyways, I guess that's it for this video. If you liked the video, remember to click the like button.
I had a lot of fun.
What, meanwhile, I'm just trying to ram into you? Get over here. Well, bye.